Okay, guys, this is my first airplane that I just built so perfectly. I just did so perfect. Look, should be like this. If you see this part is really interesting. Really interesting. So then, I'm just having a good time when playing. Like, sit like this. Look at my plane go. My plane is really fast. Look, plane. My plane just landed right over here. It just comes straight over here. That's so impossible. Right? So impossible. So subscribe and have a nice day. Swipe.